In this video, you learn how to delete watched history on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So to delete your watched history on Facebook, you'll first have to look up your watched history. So what you'll have to do for this is go to the bottom menu and click on your Reels. Then go to the top right and click on the little profile icon. Then once you're in here, you can actually click on History. And as you'll maybe already know, you cannot delete it right here. But there's a little trick you can use so that the videos you have watched and you don't want to watch again, or you don't want to show up in here, are sort of deleted. So what you'll have to do is click on the video you want to delete. So let's just go with this one. And what we can do is click on Hide Video right here. This short has been hidden in this section. You'll see fewer videos from this account. So what you can do right now is go back to your history. And the video will still appear right here, but if you click on it, you won't be able to see it. So this is how you kind of delete your watch history on Facebook. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.